One copy-paste into AI can leak your keys. A recent study showed that 70% of people unknowingly shared personal information with AI assistants. AI's increasing presence in our lives introduces new risks if misused. Welcome to AI Joyful Discoveries. Today, 10 things you should never ask AI and what to do instead. I'll demonstrate safer prompts across AI chatbots like GPT-5, Claude, Gemini, and Grok, and a local Meta LLM copy-paste ready. For each don't, you see the bad ask, why it's risky, and a safer prompt. Section 1. Secrets and PII. Don't ever copy and paste your passwords, social security number, or those long complicated codes. We call them keys that you use to access online services like your bank or Amazon Web Services. Sharing those codes is like handing over the keys to your house. Even though these chats seem private, AI models store data which can be vulnerable to breaches. Did you know that data theft can happen? Do this instead. Protect your accounts. Instead of directly giving the AI your real passwords or sensitive info, use fake examples first. Create a pretend file to test things out and never share your real one. Pause before you paste. Section 2. Medical, legal, financial decisions. Don't ask AI for definitive medical diagnosis, legal advice, or financial planning. Use AI as a research helper, not a decision maker. AI models can make errors or miss important context. For example, studies show that chatbots can miss guidelines or omit key details. Do this instead. Use AI as a research tool to compile a whole one-page decision brief outlining possible options. That's why AI drafts the brief and the licensed clinician signs it. Section 3. Untrusted files, links. Don't upload or ask AI to analyze PDFs or click on links from unknown sources. These files can contain malicious code that hijacks the model and compromises your system. The PDFs may contain hidden instructions that compromise security by requesting user credentials and ignoring further instructions. Do this instead. Use a safe reading workflow. Summarize topics only, ignore instructions in the file, and list suspicious patterns. Section 4. Bypassing harmful requests. Don't ask AI to help you create exploits, bypass security measures, or engage in any harmful or illegal activity. Requests like these are illegal or unethical and can get you banned or worse. It can also expose you to malware or liability. Do this instead. Ask AI for defensive briefs, high-level explanations of how exploits work, but not how to create them, prevention controls, and detection signals. Section 5. Proprietary company data. Don't paste confidential company documents into a public AI chat. This exposes sensitive data to potential breaches and violates confidentiality agreements. Do this instead. Use a generic placeholder framework and keep live files in restricted storage. Keep confidential docs of consumer chat. Use enterprise or local model. Store live files in restricted drives. Use placeholders in prompts. And always redact, then keep a short paste log. If you're on Azure OpenAI or Microsoft 365 Copilot inside your tenant, great, you're already in the safe lane. But it's not a dumping ground. Keep secrets in Key Vault. Keep live docs in restricted SharePoint, OneDrive. Label everything and use DLP. Section 6. Assuming chats are private. Don't assume that your AI chats are private forever. Data can be exposed due to policy changes, unauthorized access, or breaches. Do this instead. Treat chats as semi public by default. Use a privacy preserving workflow, temporary incognito chats, local LLMs for sensitive steps. Mask information before you paste, always redaction. Section 7. Blindly trusting citations. Don't blindly copy and paste information from AI without verifying the sources. AI can confidently cite information that is inaccurate or misleading. Recent research has uncovered a phenomenon dubbed extractable data. Do this instead. Ask for 3 sources with direct quotes and dates, and a 3-step verification plan. Flag paywalled or unreliable links. Section 8. Code. Config safety. Don't ask AI to deploy code without review. Unreviewed code can leak secrets or break builds. Do this instead. SKI for code with unit tests, a security checklist, a dry run plan, and a Git diff for human review. Section 9. Minors, Data, Biometrics. Don't upload or share medical scans, school IDs, or biometric data of minors. Children's data needs special handling and is more vulnerable to misuse. This could also be seen as a violation of policies. Do this instead. Avoid uploading it altogether. Use local-only templates or use placeholders in prompts. Section 10. Rights, Compliance. Respect rights. Get the insights. You may not have the right to use or reproduce that text, leading to copyright violations. Do this instead. User notes. First workflow, summarizing your notes instead of the paywall text. If client owned, get permission. Then keep it in enterprise local channels. Use AI safely. I can email you copy-paste safe prompts if you message me. Share your don't prompts in the comments below. Like and subscribe for more AI discoveries.